Brad Williams. Here's just something that we just don't think about that often. That would be the OR function. Ever work with it before? Not? We will right now. Just think of the if statement. If this or that, do something or something else. Well, here we have an OR logic. Remember OR? Well, OR B is equal to blank, or C5 is equal to blank, or D5 is equal to blank. Color that total. That's it. We rarely use this. That's why I thought I'd throw it into the intermediate. It's pretty basic stuff, but rarely do we even think about using the OR statement. Here it is. You can use the OR function or the OR. I said OR statement. I meant the OR function. You can use the OR function in a simple Excel expression. What's the expression? Everything inside here. You can use the OR function in a simple expression to highlight data in one column or the other. Really, it's very straightforward. Where's there an odd or a blank? Right here. Those colors. In other words, we're going to use this in conditional formatting. We can also use is blank or is blank if you don't want to use the quote or the double, well, whatever you want to call it. I call it the quotes. Even if it's single, I call it a quote. When using conditional formatting with a formula, the formula is evaluated relative to the active cell. In other words, you always want to make sure you're up here. Sometimes when you kick in this conditional formatting, you just highlight one cell, or in some cases, conditional formatting will highlight your entire list. So you can use the is blank, and you can use the and, or the or, and the not. Well, we're using the or here. We've worked with the not, and I believe we have thrown around and a couple of times. So just take a look here. We have plant, plant, plant. We have total. It doesn't mean a thing here. All we're looking for is blanks. And then we could go in here, conditional formatting, new rule. We hit use formula to determine which cell to format. We would grab this formula here, or however you want to change it or input it or modify it, do so. And then just put it in here or type it in here. Be careful. Working inside this rectangle is a train wreck. And I'm not going to give you any clues. I gave the beginners just endless clues on the problems you're going to face once you're in this box. And I mean, it is a head-on collision with two trains moving at 60 miles an hour towards each other. It is a bloody, bloody nightmare. I'm just going to tell you that. If you haven't worked with conditional formatting, I strongly recommend you investigate all of this stuff. I'm not going to do it here. I did it comprehensively in the beginners with 26 different highlighting / conditional formatting tutorials. Because there's a rule already in place, conditional formatting, manage rules, all I did was I highlighted it here. If your conditional formatting is not active and you try finding it, you can always go up here to find and select, go to special, go to conditional formatting, conditional formats. If there are any, there's the conditional format. See, I thought I started up here, but no. Why would I? I'm trying to color any data, any truths that are in our formula here. Conditional formatting, manage rules, and here is this formula. You just go in and edit the rule. You're going to see exactly that output. Notice, use a formula to determine which cell to format, and then you can change whatever color you want. That's it. In a nutshell, the OR function, a review, or maybe something new for you. A review for you. If you review, a review for you. A review for you. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I'm killing myself. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.